Hey there, I'm going to show you how to upload a project on GitHub. Let's begin. So once you've logged into GitHub, there are multiple ways where you can create repositories. You can either go to the left side here where it says Top Repositories, and then you can just click on this green button which says New Repository, or you could just go to the right side, the top right where your profile icon is, and then you can go to your repositories. And then you can also click on the green button which says New. So I'm going to use this option for now. So now it says create a new repository. A repository contains all project files, including the revision history. Already have a project repository elsewhere, and then you can also import a repository if you want to. So then you're going to get the URL for your source repository, and then you're going to enter your credentials if required. So your username for your source repository, and then your new repository details. So we're going to go back, and then you're going to enter a name for your repository. I'm going to call it repo. And then what you can do here in description, you can add in a few details about this repository if you want to for yourself in case you need to remember something. And then you can either choose if you want it to be public or private. Anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can commit, and you choose who can see and commit to this repository. So I'm going to keep it public. And then it says initialize this repository file. It says here add a README file. I would highly recommend that you add a README file to this repository. Now it says choose which files not to track from a list of templates. And then you can also choose a license if you want to. So Apache license 2.0, MIT license if you want. So I'm just going to select none for now. This will set the main link as the default branch and then change the default name in your settings. So then once you're done doing this, you are going to click on create repository. So as you can see here, there's a README file. Now, if you want to add a few files to your project, you're going to click on this button here where it says add link with the downward arrow. And then you're going to click on create new file or upload files. So now if you have a project and you want to drop it into GitHub, you're going to look for that file somewhere. You're going to drag and drop it over here. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free. And it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.